ជំរាបសួរលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលកំពុងស្ដាប់បទបង្ហាញរបស់ក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើបទបង្ហាញពីការគ្រប់គ្រងកាកសំណល់ដើម្បីបរិស្ថានល្អបកប្រែជាអង់គ្លេសមានន័យថា Waste Management for Improving Our Environment ក្រុមខ្ញុំមានឧមេងវណ្ណរៈខ្ញុំវេងអេងម៉ាយុតនិងលេវិត
Purpose. The purpose of this presentation is to talk about solid pollution, the consequences of littering, and how important to take care of our environment, including solution of how to fix and prevent them from happening more in the future, and to ensure that hopefully in the future we will be able to reduce the amount of trash being polluted on this planet. Our goal for this presentation would be 1. Influence people to manage their things and not to litter around the environment. 3. Help save the earth as an individual to improve the environment we are living in. 3. Make the world a better place with 0% trash, solid. And 4. Improve the environment so as animal habitats that live around us.
What we look for in the future. We anticipate that more people will start caring about the environment and placing trash where it belongs, stop littering, being responsible, taking action regards on their trash that they created, lending a hand if necessary, and expecting more recycling action in the future. The majority of people are currently participating in accepting responsibility for their own mistake.
Background information. Wasteland, a form of land that has been badly damaged or contaminated as a result of different human activity, is referred to as wasteland. It is a result of ineffective waste management, commercial operation, mining, and other activity that release hazardous material into the environment. Polluted soil, water, and air are characteristic of wasteland, which can be harmful to the ecosystem, biodiversity, and human health. It takes significant remediation works, including soil cleanup, water treatment, and the adoption of sustainable land management technique to restore and reclaim wasteland. In order to minimize the development of wasteland and to lessen their effect, proper waste management and environmental law are crucial. Everyday human waste production has an impact on the global ecosystem and the environment. We produce waste as a result of our garbage production. We're going to talk about two different sort of waste, which is the long and the short term. The short-term waste is that it primarily affect and pollute the water. The deposits that enter the water produce chemical reaction that result in the production of germs and other things that make the water unfit for drinking and used for farming. While rubbish that collect on land will have an impact on the environment by generating smell and disease in the neighborhood, making the region unclean. Animals who drink the water and live in those parts of unclean region will get sick and die, since it also affects some nearby plant and animal. Quality of soil in that area will decline over the time as a result of garbage without anyone knowing it. In contrast, there are no indication of animal life, such as trace of dying plant in those soil. As the rainy season approaches, it will also become more polluted as a result. The local environment, including the air, will be impact making people more susceptible to illness, particularly youngsters who may also contract new disease. We must clear up the rubbish, but the water remain unclean because it has been contaminated by the waste and cannot be used.
To the environment, the most crucial aspect of the environmental preservation is waste management. To prevent pollution, preserve the purity of the air, water, and soil, preserve the ecological balance, and protect both humans and animal health. Proper waste disposal and imperative. Furthermore, it does always have the necessity and labor and resource extensive extraction and production process by recycling and reusing priceless material like paper, plastic, and metal, by reducing greenhouse gas emission through energy efficient recycling and the use of fewer landfill. Waste management helps the mitigate climate change. Additionally, it safeguards community health by reducing and the transmission of illness, enhance the aesthetic attractiveness of public area, and promote adhere to environmental standard. Finally, waste management encourage global responsibility and long-term sustainability.
What can we do to make it better? Based on our experience, we believe that putting a lot of trash cans everywhere is we believe that putting a lot of trash can everywhere is the best solution, and whoever throw trash outside the trash bin will be charged a small fee, similar to how the Singapore trash system works. Another suggestion is that whoever wants to clean the trash will receive money from the government. We can also form a group and receive people to assist us in collecting trash in our neighborhood, such as the river, small lakes, and trash-filled terrain. We may also create advertisement to pursue future generation to follow in our footsteps in order to enhance the world we live in.
Conclusion. In conclusion, we should focus on the importance of environmental care and solution to prevent future pollution. The goal is to influence people to manage their waste responsibility, save the earth, and improve the environment, including animal habitats, wasteland caused by ineffective waste management, commercial operation, and mining. It's a form of land that can be harmful to ecosystem, biodiversity, and human health. Proper waste management and environment laws are crucial for minimizing wasteland development and reducing their effect. There are two types of waste: short-term waste, which affects water and causes chemical reaction, and long-term waste, which affect air, water, and soil, causing water pollution, smells, diseases, and weakening plants. Proper garbage disposal is essential for avoiding contamination, maintaining ecological balance, and protecting both animal and human health. Waste management also help fight climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emission, preventing the loss of natural ecosystem, ensuring community health, and promoting environmental adherence. The team suggests placing multiple trash cans and charging those who litter outside, similar to Singapore trash system. They suggest government funding for cleanup efforts, forming groups with volunteer and advertising to inspire future generations to improve the environment. They also suggest that creating advertisement to encourage future generation to make the world a better place.
អរគុណលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានស្ដាប់ presentation របស់ក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំ